Hi. Welcome to RTC. In this video, let's learn how to check the update history on Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. Before we begin, please hit the subscribe button. Let's start. Right-click the Windows Start icon, and click Settings. On the left panel, click on Windows Update. As you can see here, I have one update available. You can update it by clicking the Download and Install button. Then here below, you can see the update history. Let's click it. Whatever the updates you have done so far in your computer, you can check it right away, like the security update. Here, you can view the driver updates. You can view the date and time when it was updated. Next, scroll down and you will see the definition updates. You can check which all updates have been installed. Here, you will see the Security Intelligence Update for Microsoft Defender. You can see when it was updated. As below, you can check the other updates. Also, by clicking the Learn More, you will see the release date, versions of the updates, informations, as well as the improvements. It's very important to check the available Windows update before installing. While it is recommended to install all the available Windows updates, from time to time, some updates might cause problems or crash your machine. You can check here for the update that causes issues on your computer, then simply clicking the Uninstall button. Hope you find this video helpful. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more Windows tips and tricks. Thanks.